My PC is
Our system
ASRock
is ASRock
H610. Yes, check the
H610M-HDV. This is the 64 bit,
motherboard.
and
So
you can
I
check
am
my
recording this video from my
device.
handphone.
This is the 13 Gen
Sorry,
Core
actually sorry for
i5,
this.
and
Check
I'm using
the,
this.
this is the motherboard
This is my device
and
address. So
Core
now we are in Windows
5
11 giving
13
this.
gen.
So
So
this is stuff.
I am giving this
So you have to
Windows, so
download
downloading the ISO file
your Windows version from here.
and also
Download
the
here.
reviews.
I have also
So here
all of it, and I
check
have
the
also
my file destination. Before giving Windows, check my
put the
file
pen
access
drive
where
here. This is my pen drive.
local drive checks only 213 GB space is free from 454 GB. Almost 250 GB took my space. This is the unknown space. I do not know how did this. I have installed many types of apps, many types of application in this Windows. So this type cache took my Windows space. So I am giving the Windows to restore my space from this here. So I will show you how much get space from this. So let's start to Windows. After completing the Windows, so in the last step of my Windows, new Windows giving here. Next, also next, check here now. Sorry, check here the Windows space now. So I'm doing, there is no, sorry, the license key is not available. So click here and check here. Only take 50 GB for the Windows. So I got 415. That means only 45 to 50 GB took the Windows application, Windows space for my C drive, and rest of the amount of the disk is free. Likely more than 4000 GB is now free from the old I have used. You have seen this 24213 GB is space free. Most of the space has been used unknown space. So this is the opportunity. This is the opportunity for the Windows giving. So I hope in yearly or 6 months or within 2 years you should Windows to make your disk free and to run your Windows more better, more speed of. Thank you.